Hey guys, I'm back after who knows how long, and I'm playing Diablo 2 at very good 60 FPS. Uh, I don't I don't think I can really turn the options any higher. I'm gonna try though. Resolution high on. Gamma contrast. Oh no, no, go back. Thank you. Yep, I'm playing Diablo 2 online, by the way. You can join if you want. Uh, it's really fun. Playing at 800 by 600 resolution. And, um, the game I'm in, let's see here. Oh. Well, I swear there had people there before. Uh, where, I thought, like, hold on. I know I'm playing online, where did the people go? I'm gonna prove to you that I'm online. See, I got the people down here. I'm gonna go join. And yeah. There's games. There's still people playing this online. Let's do this. Wait. Let's do this. Game is full. Alright. Then let's go. Alright then. Just give me a second. Okay, we're joining. See? We're joining. This is proof that it works. Enter. Damn it, wrong one. Okay, I'll be down.